In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tag to a GoDaddy website. If you want to connect tracking to your site so you can measure visits and activity more accurately, this is a simple process you can do directly inside your GoDaddy website settings. I'll walk you through it in a clear and easy way so you can follow along without confusion. First, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account that manages the website where you want to install the tag. Once you're logged in, give the page a moment to fully load so all of your account options appear correctly. Next, go to your profile area. This is where you can access the main account menu and find the products connected to your GoDaddy account. From there, click on My Products. This section shows the websites, domains, and other services that belong to your account. Now, find the specific website where you want to add the Google tag. If you manage more than one site, take a second to confirm that you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. Once you've located it, click on that website, Website, to open its management options. After that, click Edit Website. This will open your website editor, where you can make changes to design, content, and settings. Wait for the editor to finish loading completely before continuing, since some options may not appear right away. Once you're inside the editor, click Settings. This is where GoDaddy places many of the behind-the-scenes options for your site, including integrations like tracking tools and code placement. Inside Settings, look for the Google Tag option. When you find it, click into that section and paste your Google tag into the provided field. Be careful to paste the full tag exactly as it was given to you, without removing or changing any part of the code. Even a small mistake can prevent tracking from working properly. After pasting the tag, make sure your changes are saved if GoDaddy prompts you to do so. It's also a good idea to double-check that the tag is placed in the correct field before you leave the page. And that's it. You've added your Google tag to your GoDaddy website. Once it's installed, tracking may take a little time to start reporting data. So don't worry if you don't see results immediately. Just follow these steps carefully and your tag should be in place successfully.